watching me on Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show a leftover recipe today. The gulab is so yummy. But what I will do with this syrup? Idea! Take the leftover syrup and pour it in a pan. Let the syrup boil for a few minutes. Now take the rusk and put it in the boiling syrup. Let the rusk soak well in the warm syrup. Soak the rusk until it gets soft. Crush some pistas to make a fine powder like this. Now pick the rusk and put it in a serving plate. Sprinkle some crushed pista over it. My instant shahi tukda is ready. I'm going to taste it. It's so yummy and delicious. Try it in your home. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.